Hello, my name is Jim Mulaney from SciTech Process Solutions. Today I'm doing a video source inspection of a YES 6112 Vapor Prime oven. We've done a complete refurbishment of this tool. We upload this to our YouTube channel, so we do not give our customers' names out. However, their purchase order was 20220-224 USA 001. This system, we're going to run Sequence 1, which is a traditional Vapor Prime system. There's not much to watch once it starts, so I'm going to start it and let it go through the first part of the cycle. Then I'm going to go ahead and come back in 20 minutes at the end, because really you're just going to watch the system run. What happens is that when we start the system, you're going to have a vacuum pull down. You'll see the vacuum gauge being drawn. Then you're going to have a hot nitrogen backfeed. So you'll see this light come on. Then that goes through 3 loops, and each loop's about 5 minutes. So it's going to then evacuate, backfill, evacuate, backfill, evacuate. Then what it does is you'll see the primer module will come on for about 1 second. That's when the prime starts. Then it's a predefined controller program you can't modify. It's about a 5-minute bake while the Vapor Prime's in the chamber. And then it'll go to the reset mode. So again, there's no moving parts, it's just some lights going on. So I'm going to start the system, show you to the first cycle goes through, and then when I'll get out of the loop until it starts with the Vapor Prime. So the chamber, actually it's under vacuum now. So all you have to do is simply hit start. So now you can see we're going to start doing our vacuum pull down, higher vacuum. Once it pumps down, as you can see, it's pumping down in the torr range. And you're going to get into the middle torr around there. The pump down works great. Here's the thermocouple reading inside the back right of the chamber. Here's the temperature control. We're set at 159 and we're at 149 and we're running 148, all within spec. On the timing, you can't see it, but there's 17 seconds left. And then it's going to go into the hot nitrogen step, and that's about 3 minutes. Again, then there'll be 3 loops like that are going to happen. Okay, now we just went back to the nitrogen backfill, and this process is 3 minutes. So it's going to go 3 minutes. It'll then go back to the vacuum pull down. It'll draw back out like you saw in the first step. It'll go into the nitrogen purge, and that'll happen 3 times. And then I'll come back, and then we'll see the Vapor Prime go on to see the system finish. Okay, let's see how much time's left. 1:07. I believe this will be, since this is the third loop, when it switches over, it'll only prime for about a second, so it's very quick, so I have to monitor that. Then it goes into a pump down heat process, but none of the lights will be on for that. We have about 30 seconds left. So my mistake, there's the first process, then 3 loops, which means there's 4 altogether. This is the number 4 process. So this will take about 3.5 minutes before it moves to the next step. We still have 1 minute left. About 30 seconds. For reference, I'll show you. This is the sequence 1 process we're running, and we're now down. We're still in loop 3 at the top. You'll have then the hot to the nights fill. You'll have a 3-minute vacuum pull down, and it's 1 second of primer. There we go, primer's on, a little longer than a second. So now we're in the primer process. So when it puts the vapor prime, you can see where the vacuum gauge is. And now on the digital display, the number does not count down. As described in the manual, it's predetermined. It's about 5 minutes where it's going to stay like this. At the end of it, it then will go into, you can go into you can then vent the system to atmosphere. What I'll do is at the end of the process, vent the system to show you the door opens and how well the inside of the chamber looks. Again, in the process, you couldn't hear it. When the primer comes on, the valve only opens for about a split second. The light stays on only because it's in the primer process, where basically now it's using the heat to help the primer adhere to the wafers. At Cytec, we'll supply an operations manual with the tool. We also will supply the keys for programming and locking it, so you will have that. It looks like we're about 3 minutes maybe into this process step. There we go. So now it's going to pull down. What it's doing now, it's pulling a vacuum because that's evacuating all the primer, HMDI, HMDS out of the chamber. So it's going to go through some multiple vacuum processes to pull it. Then it'll vent. It'll go to a vent to atmosphere, and the door will open. What I'll do is talk about, because this is kind of, again, boring here, I'll talk about what Cytec Process Solutions offers. As you can see, we offer vapor prime systems. We offer quite a lot of different stuff in photolithography. We do tracks. We do the SVG track, the CEE track. We do the YES LP3 vapor prime ovens. We do quite a lot of pump repairs and cell pump packages. We do IDI, Cyborg, and Millipore. We have probably, I don't know, 50 pumps in stock. We have then the controllers, the control systems, the interface boards, etc. Part of our main corporate business at Cytec is now we're doing a backfill of nitrogen. What we are as the #1 remanufacturer of semi-total spin rinse dryers worldwide. We are far and away the leader. We've done over 2,500 systems. We ship internationally. We have distributors. We offer one if you go to our website at cytecprocess.com, on the left-hand side you'll see some buttons. The first 7 are all spin rinse dryers. We have the semi-total S models in SAM, F as in Frank, and traditional ST. Below that we have all 3 of all the spare parts. For those systems we have 100% spare parts. Everything on those tools we can sell you brand new. We also, 2 years ago, now 3 years ago, we purchased the Vertec product line. We're the OEM for Vertec, so we are now been populating our website with a lot of Vertec spare parts. We have probably in the last month, probably 7 systems been sent in for customers to refurbish on the Vertex. So we do quite a lot. In fact, we have rinser dryers all over our manufacturing. Okay, we're gonna go through multiple cycles of this purging the chamber. We also, if you go to our website or our YouTube channels and you look Slick device, we have a replacement controller that takes a traditional semi-total S or F model, upgrade it with our state-of-the-art controller, and it makes it as good or better than any rinser dryer you can buy brand new in the world. We're very proud of that. Probably 90% of all of our orders that people buy from us include that upgrade because it's far and away the best thing. It has data acquisition, troubleshooting, maintenance modes, alarm modes, N2 savers. It's all built in. It's all, you can see lots of videos on our website. For wet processing, we do quite a lot of the Integris floorware box and cassette cleaners. That'd be the HTC family, the 8010, 8020, 8030. We actually have 3 orders now, I think, backlogged for those. In fact, this is where it normally goes. This is our 100 amp service wall, and normally there's a box washer here, but we had to move it to allow me to do this video. We also do quite a lot of the single mask and wafer cassettes. That'd be the Ultra T, Ultra Tech, or K&S high pressure scrubbers. You'll see quite a lot of videos and tools we have in stock on that. So for wet processing, we do spin rinse dryers, box and cassette washers, and high pressure cleaners. Then we also do a variety of thin film tools. We have particle counters. That's the traditional KLA particle counter, the 6000 class, the 4000, the 5000. We also have nanometrics tools, prometrics tools, different film measurement systems. We have a bunch of nanometrics in stock, so we have a wide variety. And we also have usually about anywhere from 8 to 10 on our website of high and low power microscopes. Your Nikon, your Olympus, your lights, etc. I'm actually doing this video. Normally we zoom in and out a little bit better. Everyone's gone now. Our manufacturing team comes in early. My marketing team already left, but I promise I get this video done. So at the end of this tonight, I will leave this video camera on our marketing desk. They will upload it to our YouTube channel tomorrow, and I'll be able to send our customer this video so they can see how it's going. So we have about another probably 5 minutes left, I think, in this process. It's got to go through the purge to clean all of the HMDS material out of the chamber. At the end, when it's system complete, this light will come on. I'll go ahead and hit the reset, and then I'll open the chamber for you. system's complete. I can hit the reset. Right now it's back purging in to allow the door to open. And there we go, it opened. So you can see the inside chamber looks great. It's got 4 compartments. You've got your temperature probe in the back there. You've got your inputs for your vacuum and for your HMDS. So this will conclude the video source inspection of a remanufactured. It's working perfect. YES 6112 vapor prime system. Again, my name is Jim Mullaney from SciTech Process Solutions. Today is Thursday, February 7th, 2022. If you have any questions, you can feel free to call us at 916-797-9000 and ask for anyone in our sales department. Or on our website, any of the products on our website, there will be a contact sales button there. You can click on that, put in some basic information. It'll send us an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you, and have a great day.